Your greyed and weathered garden furniture can easily be renovated with Osmo. Simply brush off loose dirt and debris, then wet the bare wood with clean water. Generously apply Osmo Wood Reviver Power Gel with a brush along the grain of the wood. The refreshing effect of the gel removes the grey patina and restores the natural colour of bare wood. The gel has a special non-drip formula which can be easily painted even on vertical areas. Osmo Wood Reviver Power Gel also helps to refresh the colour of bare timber decking and wooden cladding. Once applied, we recommend leaving the gel to work for approximately 20 minutes, then clean the surface with a hard bristle brush along the grain of the wood. This process removes the dead wood fibres and cells from the surface. This easy and simple process revives grey wood fibres and brings the wood back to its original character. Allow the wood to fully dry before treating your furniture with an Osmo wood finish. For convenience, we recommend using the clear Osmo Teak Oil spray, which is very easy to apply. Simply shake the spray can well and spray at a distance approximately 25 centimeters from the surface. The same process can be used for chairs, tables, and other types of garden furniture. Wipe off any surplus oil with a cloth and leave to dry for approximately 12 hours. Once dry, spray a second and final time, removing excess with a cloth. Osmo Teak Oil is a clear, natural wood finish that nourishes and protects the wood once dry, making the surface water and dirt resistant. Osmo Teak Oil is also breathable, which reduces cracking, peeling, and blistering of the coating on a wooden surface. To help protect against strong UV light, we recommend choosing a color from the Osmo exterior product range, such as Osmo Natural Oil Wood Stain or Country Color. Head over to the Osmo website to discover the complete exterior range and find your nearest supplier today.